TT on her grind, trying to shine. Hit that like button one at a time. Hope everyone's having an awesome day today. Yes, because I am. Are you guys having an awesome day? All right. So, subscribe, like, and share. All right, y'all. It's got rice, chicken, tomatoes, corn. Yes. Okay. How are you guys doing today? I forgot to get a napkin. That's okay. Y'all know how we do. So good. So good. Man. I got my fork for the... Hey! I got my fork for the, leftover stuff. All right. We in there. Say hi, babies. We got Raven over there. We have Rael in the back. Y'all got a steak now? I don't have to get a napkin. That's all right. I got something. I got something. Well, today's been a good day. And what did I do today? I edited some videos. I hope my mouth don't be broke out from this white, but that's okay. Wash my mouth off when I'm done. What else did I do? I did a little painting. Did a little rooting. Now, taking a break eating. My phone. It's a blue mic. See how it do. See how it do. My daughter got me hipped on these burritos. No, I'm so sorry, y'all. That was rude of me. Let me get a bite. Get your bite. There you go. And like I said, it's got rice, guacamole, onions, chicken, olives, some kind of, I'm not sure what kind of sauce that is. And this is from Qdoba. It has cheese. Let me see, tomatoes, lettuce, a variety of everything. You want some more? There you go. Mm. It's really good. Ooh, what is this white? This white stuff is. It's got something white on it too. Nisha ordered it for me, so I just told her to give me one that she likes. It's good. Got my water. I got this off of Amazon. And it says, you got, this is a 1 gallon. And you got, hello, new day, great start, stay focused. Halfway there, keep on drinking. Push yourself. Almost finished. Hashtag awesome. My goal is to get to 2 of these a day, but I'm like, maybe about, I would say probably a little bit less than 1 of these a day. So I know I'll get there. You can get there too. It's so good. I don't know what I'm eating for dinner. What you guys eating for dinner? Comment below. Let me know what you're cooking. Hey. You gonna get all this now. Look. Ah, that goodness. Oh my gosh. It kind of got a little spicy kick to it. I forgot messing with my daughter. She likes spicy food. Hey. What? Hey. Hey. What? Hey. TT on her grind, trying to shine. Hit that like button one at a time. Welcome to the Woo Woo Woos, baby family. This is the place you wanna be, cause I'm a reborn artist, family entertainer. Oh, unlimited fun. I'm a reborn artist, family entertainer. Oh, unlimited fun. Hit that like, hit that like. Oh, let's share. Let's share. Oh, thumbs it up. Thumbs it up. Oh. I'm here silly with y'all. Damn, it's dark. I love this beat, y'all. So relaxing. I'm actually getting full. Probably the water. I tried my best to drink water, and I've noticed on the days that I don't drink water, I feel sluggish and just don't feel right. So get that water in you. I'm full. Oh, I love that sound. It'd be like I be listening to instruments now, man. Whew, man. Oh, 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 hey, oh. I'm sorry. I like that beat, y'all. Oh, oh, oh. Here we go, yo. Man. Okay, okay. Excuse me, y'all. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Until next time, TT will see you soon.